I've been with Meazure Learning for about 2.5 years. I am new to higher education, but I've been in hospitality and customer success for about 18 years. So who is Meazure Learning? Meazure Learning, we are an online global proctoring location and center, and we also offer psychometrics. Last year, we did 4.6 million exams, and you can see we've got 19 proctoring locations, and now just merged with a Canadian company that does professional testing. So we've got two sectors of our company. We have the professional testing side, and then we have the higher education side, which is where I work. So as you can see, we had so many different spreadsheets of business reviews and books of business and templates. And it was kind of which version are you working on? Wait, what document's the source of truth? And we also, as a tech company, had a lot of tech stacks that we were responsible for working in. So we all currently use Tableau. Archimedes is our platform that we use for our testing. Excel, what version are you on? Salesforce, Zendesk, and Outreach. Salesforce is great, but it also has to be built for success. And once you come in and it's a 20-year-old or 10-year-old Salesforce, how do you start from scratch and really go from there? Nothing communicated with each other. So we were constantly spending our days in different tech stacks or running different reports, no source of truth. I think probably 5 or 6 different customer success software presentations and demos. And what we were really looking forward to is, we know currently what we're doing is not scalable or efficient or effective. We had no training manual in process, right? So if you started, which we had a lot of individuals start during the pandemic, we're like, good luck. Hope you really figure out how to work our software and figure out everything. And we want you to hit the ground running. Yikes, what a training nightmare as from a manager is, especially when you're working training remote. So you're obviously not on with them 24/7. So we knew that there had to be a better way. Everybody thinks, as you know, customer success is sales. We're like, yes, we do have the adoption and retention and expansion responsibilities, but we're not sales. So Salesforce is not a tool that can manage your book of business and really understand as a whole what it is. Can it maybe get there? Yes, but it was going to be too cumbersome. It was going to be too expensive. I think about the team. I think about how can this be scalable and how do we make sure that this is efficient and effective and repeatable. So if I leave, that somebody can come in and pick up right where I left off with no transition time. And one of the big deciding factors of why we chose Totango is how easy it was to use. Totango has a really great resource for help articles and the videos. That was key. All of the other companies that we looked at, it was going to require a full-time FTE to manage the software. We did an ROI and we looked at staffing, we looked at turnover, we looked at churn. And when we did our return on investment, I think it was less than a half a year based on the cost of Totango.